am I looking so pretty today?
This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen. I don't think you listen. For me to come out, it must mean I'm not the dog. It must mean I'm not the same. It must mean I'm on your case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not the dog. I want to show you my world. Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe it, faith to receive it. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only baby you're matter, baby you're matter, baby you're matter, baby you're matter. Give me one break, I need faith, faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you. Yeah. This is my decision. This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen. I don't think you listen. For me to come out, it must mean I'm not the dog. It must mean I'm not the same. It must mean I'm on your case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not the dog. I want to show you my world. Give me one break, I need faith, faith to believe it, faith to receive it. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only baby you're matter, baby you're matter, baby you're matter, baby you're matter, baby you're matter. Give me one break, I need faith, faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me.
I'm about to unbox random stuff I got. I'm expecting 2 more deliveries, but since they're yet to come and I need to start using some of these things, I'm just going to go ahead and unbox. It's actually supposed to be a set of 4, like bathroom shelves, but the vendor mistakenly packed 3, so this is the 4th one. So they are like shelves and soap holder. So this is like the toothbrush holder, and it's so cute, guys. Seems very strong and durable. I just hope it's my size. because I know there is a no exchange after 48 hours, and this is way past 48 hours. I think the dress is originally from Fashion Nova. I don't know, guys. Was this what I was expecting? I don't know. It's so short. It's so short. If you know me, and you know I don't like short. I don't like short dresses. Feathers everywhere. Okay, I'm going to try it on after this video and see. I got this one from Lio Fashion Home. I just sleepwears. They're cute. I like them. Hi loves. So remember I said I had 2 more packages to receive. Apparently it turned out that it was 3 and I forgot. So let's continue with the unboxing. This is so cute. How am I looking so pretty today? Hey, I'm fine, oh. Hey, I fine, no worry. Yes, it's giving yawoga. You guys, if you joined my live video, there's this live video I posted when I was celebrating my not so little wins. I was complaining that my laptop was bad and whatnot. So today I fixed the laptop. Not like I fixed it, but I've given somebody that's going to fix it. So yeah, I'm just excited about that. Not me putting on my recommended glasses on my head, because if I wear it, the ray of my ring light is going to show and I don't want that. So I got peace that makes no sense. Tell me why I bought a beach wear. It's not even like a beach wear, it's like an island wear. You know when you go to the Maldives and you're wearing like, tell me why I bought it without having any island to go to. But I'm speaking it into existence. I like it, so pretty. It's so cute. Might not see the cuteness until I wear it. Okay. Those are regular round necks. I realized I don't have round necks at all, which explains why I always wear Alice's round necks to start my vlog. If you know, you know. So I decided to buy some round neck. Oh, the quality is so nice. You know when you order something online and like your expectation is like low, you're like, bruh, I don't even, yes, I'll wear it at home, but they're actually so nice. Oh, I love it. I do. Oh god. Oh, I like them. I'm not even mad about them at all. Like, I'm not mad about the purchase, but I'm mad over the clothes. If you know, you know. Oh, this is my favorite. I think I fixed this last minute. Oh, they're so nice. Alright guys, that's it for this unboxing. I don't think I'm expecting any more package. Or am I? I don't think so. Alright, on to the other part of this vlog. Hi guys, apparently you need a reservation in Chapter Lagos, and the person I'm hanging out with did not reserve, so they gave me their card and apologized. So I'm just going to come back I'm about to go to RSVP Lagos now. So yeah.
Yeah. This is my decision. This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen. I don't think you listen. For me to come out, it must mean I'm not the dog. It must mean I'm not the same. It must mean I'm on your case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not the dog. I want to show you my world. Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only me and you.